What factors do you need to consider legally when you're going to go the surrogacy route?
First of all, we have to get all the factual information from the parents intending to be parents, as well as the surrogate and her husband. We work very closely with the specific fertility clinic that's involved with the treatment, the in vitro fertilization process, the screening, etc. And then we have to prepare all these documentation and get them ready. There are specific requirements that we have to meet in each and every application, but we try and have each party's specific request accommodated. So it's really pretty much an individual-based approach.
Now, you also mentioned earlier, for those who've only just tuned in now, you're looking at anything between 150 and 300,000 Rand to facilitate the process of surrogacy. Although the surrogate doesn't take a fee, you're going to be responsible for medical costs and whether or not maternity leave is taken and whether or not she's employed. It's a lot of money and it's out of the reach of many people. But you were mentioning during the break, it might not be as far out of reach as you think.
Yes, there are certain products available on the market, specific for in vitro fertilization, but then also to be able to finance a big portion of this expenses. So if the viewers are interested in it, we can provide them with that kind of information. I'll make it available on our website.
Okay, so we'll be able to get it after the show.
That's right.
And let's be honest, I mean, if you're going to spend 300,000 Rand on a car, it doesn't come close to the joy you'll feel.
That's right.
For a baby. Adele, common legal pitfalls that parents and surrogates don't take into account.
As I've mentioned beforehand, the expectation of both parties, I think that needs to be scrutinized up front. Other than that, the relationship and the agreement between the parties that needs to be concluded, and that what we can include in such an agreement, whether you can have corrective surgery for plastic surgery for the surrogate mum, whether we can or should put in life coverage, whether guardians should be appointed. So that's the kind of information that we will require. As I've said, the other aspects that's really been a considering factor, I think now with the legislation, is really being regulated. So there's legal certainty for all the parties involved, knowing that as soon as they've obtained the court order, they will know once a baby is born, there's legal certainty for all the parties involved, and that includes the little baby that's born.